gonna be me trying something new. It's gonna be my first time doing this hairstyle, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. But yeah, so today we'll be doing twists, or I'll be doing twists. So yes, you guys, like I said, it's gonna be my first time. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Especially I'm gonna be using braiding hair. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what hair I'm gonna use and what product, and I'll do a voiceover and everything while I'm showing you everything, because I don't want this video to be Hey my Jolies and my new Jolies, let's just get right into it, you guys. So yeah, I use my oil, you guys. Make sure your hair is freshly washed and moisturize, oil, all the good stuff. Do what you usually do, all right? It's nothing special. That's the hair I'm gonna be using today. And if you're not new to my channel, you probably know this hair already, which I love. I'm using the color 1B as always, and this is the Passion Twist by X-pression in the length 16, and the other one is 12, which I didn't use at all. I'm gonna be using this gel. You can use any gel of your choice, but that's what I have on hand. I don't have the shining gem, which is the best. If you can get it, get it, it's the best. But we'll just use that. So that's the hair, you guys. As you can see, it's looking pretty good, and like I said, it's a good hair, you guys. It's soft, it gives you more like a natural look. So yeah, now I'm parting my hair, as you guys can see. um yeah, I know, but who cares if the part is not straight and all, because at the end of the day, it's gonna be covered with all the hair that's gonna be, you know. So I don't care about that so much. So yeah, let's just get right into it. And if you're not on my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. So yes, you guys, like I said, it's my first time doing this, so that was my first time and I end up liking it. I don't know if I'll try it in the future, but for now I'm good. And I loved it too. So yes, you guys, as you can see, I start by gripping the hair like you usually start when you're doing back spread. We're just gonna start with 3 part. We put the hair in 3 and then we keep braiding, and after 3 or 4, how do you even say that? I don't know. After 3 or 4, we're gonna split the third part in 2, so we can have 2 strands, and then we're gonna start, sorry, twist the hair. I'm just gonna let you guys watch. I hope that makes sense. As you can see, is it twirling? I'm twirling the hair so it can my hair and the braiding hair can turn into one, so it can twist better. I hope that makes sense, you guys. So yeah, at first, you guys, it was very challenging, I ain't gonna lie, but after that, after you get the hang of it, it's really easy. So yeah, that's my first twist. Yay me. Like I said, it was my first time, so that's the second one, you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys something. The hair, the braiding hair in my hair, it's like the same length, so that was kind of hard for me, especially when I get in the middle of my head and all that, because the hair in the middle is much longer than the back, so I had to split the hair in 2, like you see me doing here for the back, but still it was a struggle. So yes, I'm just gonna let you guys watch this part. Hopefully it make more sense. Split in 3, we start braiding like we usually do. Okay, and now we're gonna take the third strand Okay, we split it in two, and then we start like I don't know how you call that. If you know, please let me know. We just trying to wrap the hair into each other, and then we twist. And you guys, this hair, I love it, you guys. It's really soft, like I said, and it gives it's more on the natural looking. That's the hair that I use on my most natural crochet hair video, which is my most viewed video. I don't know if you've watched it already, but yes, you guys, I love this hair. As you can see, that was one pack, and remember, one pack have like three pack in it, because that was one of the full pack. So yes, you guys, here I'm gonna show you another way that you can grip the hair if you can't do the 3-1 like I showed you. The first one I showed you, this one is really easy. So yes, you guys, as you can see, it's like I'm wrapping the hair around it. Okay, I'm just gonna use the braiding here for the 2 strand and my own hair as the 3rd one. Instead of splitting it in 3, I'm just gonna use my hair as the 3rd strand. It's like I loop it into it, you guys, and then we're gonna start braiding. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. It's like we loop the hair. All right, my hair is the 3rd one, and then we just start braiding. It's really easy, you guys. That was me checking to see if it's in my liking. And you guys, I know sometimes when you get your hair braids and all that, you can't even touch your scalp. No, that's not good, you guys. As you can see, they're not too tight. Even this one I'm doing right here, if by looking at it, you probably it's not tight, it's whatever. But you guys, I'm tender-headed, and that's why I can't let nobody do my hair. Well, not everybody can do my hair, because you guys, I'll cry like a baby. Okay, even this one was kind of tight for me, which you're gonna see. I'm gonna keep checking and checking, because I feel like it's pulling some of my edges, which we don't want to lose our edges, you guys. All right, so do it on your liking, and even if you pay to get your hair done, if it's too tight, you let them know it's too tight, or I don't want them that tight. All right, so yes, you guys, like I said, this hair, I really recommend this hair if you want to do this hairstyle, because as you can see, it looked pretty good and the color matches my hair perfectly. And if you're still here, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button now, and don't forget to press the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So yes, you guys, as you can see here, my hair was a little bit longer, like I said earlier, because the hair in the middle is longer than the rest of my hair, but I needed a little trim, so whatever hair I have left, I just trim it because I needed a trim anyway. But that's not the right way to do it, okay, you guys. That's not the right way, but like I said, it's nothing. So yes, you guys, now I don't know what to say to you guys. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and check my website for lip glosses, soap, and then jewelry. I'm sure you'll find something that you like. So yes, you guys, don't forget to let me know how I did in the comment section down below, because like I said, that was my first time, and I'm used to crochet. Okay, I'm used to crochet and back spread, but you know, it's our first time for everything, so I tried. So yes, you guys. Yeah. guys like it? So yes, you guys, this is the final look. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. Like I said, it was my first time trying this hairstyle, and so far I think I did pretty good for a first timer. So I ended up using one pack and almost two pack because I have this one left, and the other one I only used one of these. So yeah, and I didn't use the number 12. So yes, like I said, let me know what you guys think. Rate me in the section, comment section down below. And so yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so you don't miss any of my future video. And this earring, you guys, if you guys like it, you'll find it on my website. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.